Hey, so we're playing White Noise, game for all the children to enjoy. It's a nice rip-off of Slenderman.
Yeah, Slender, not just Slender.
Slender, which is a game on the PC in case you guys didn't know.
And this is basically a rip-off, that way, I guess, Xbox gamers can play?
Yes. And hold right trigger to run, Jake, by the way, that's helpful.
Instead of notes, you gotta find tape recordings?
Yes. You gotta listen for the tape, and whenever you hear it, then you gotta go for it and find it.
I think I hear it.
Move towards it, Jake. It's, right there. No. Yeah, move forward.
Fuck this, is
Jake,
scary.
move forward. There's no turning back on the road to death. Ah!
Found the first one! Oh shit. Turn that
No,
one.
you didn't. Alright.
Now it begins. And Slender, have you ever played the original Slender?
He's near you right now. I can hear the heart beating.
Well, no, you hear his footsteps, and it's the same thing from Slender. I'm gonna turn around and look for him. This guy's a pussy.
You won't be saying that whenever you choose your face off.
Oh, I know. Wait, this guy like attacks you?
Oh yeah.
Oh well, on Slender.
It's a lot more.
On Slender, he just pops up.
Yeah, it's a lot worse than Slender. He like bites your face. It's
I'm
horrifying.
playing this once, and oh my god, this is fucking scary.
I don't want to run.
So if I like stop, does he catch up?
No, he doesn't catch up. He's not behind you. He's just near. You can hear him, the heartbeat.
Yeah. Like
By the way, the flashlight starts to lose power, I think.
Slender again. I don't know if it does for this.
It does as you...
Let's walk around in the dark, everybody.
Let's not do that. Bad idea to go in the woods with the flashlight that doesn't work, kids.
I'm just gonna fuck with people by doing this.
Seizures! This one's for you, kids who have epilepsy. Oh my god!
Fuck! What was it?
Oh, there it is! Run! Oh! Run, Jake! Jake, go the other direction! Run! Run! Run,
Holy
Jake!
Shit.
Run, Jake!
I only jumped because you did, you asshole! Well, fuck, that's right! Oh, shit! Shit! Shit!
Jake, run! I don't know where he is! I don't know where he's in front of you! Turn around! Turn around! Turn on the flashlight! Turn on the flashlight!
Fuck!
You're in hell, brother.
Oh my god!
Turn around, check and see if he's back
No!
there.
Fuck that! I'm gonna find the tape recording over here.
You might want to hold down the right trigger and run.
Fuck that. Fuck this guy. No, he's over there.
No, that's a tree, man. That's another tree.
Fuck. The environment. Where is it?
Oh! Fuck!
I saw that coming too. That's what pisses me off. I got this. Running through the night. God, that...
I love the sound of dubs.
So this guy, he ain't Slender. Bring it, bitch! Let's go! Oh my god.
Yeah, that's...
So that's basically...
You are dead!
That's... What? White
Oh
noise?
my god!
See, I
White noise.
I like how it was 3 minutes long. It was scary as shit.
Yes.
Special modes?
Night vision. I have night vision on mine.
Pick 11 more tapes.
I had it on mine.
Bonus content.
Alright.
This
I'm
is-
done with this.
Yeah.